3 energy techniques to activate the law of attraction you can literally use today. They're going to be simple, easy, and it's going to shift your energy dynamic to really get your manifested results cruising into your life. Just before we jump into it here, throw a like on the video. It's going to send out to a lot more people in this world, and together we can raise the level of consciousness, make this world a more positive place, and help people really wake up so we can really be divinely all connected just that much better. Click subscribe and then also click the bell icon so you can get notified when we send out other great manifestation how-to methods, techniques, literally helping you bring in your manifestations more consistently and predictably, and really making this year your best year by far results-wise. So let's get into it. 2 things, okay, just before we get into 3 keys. When you're doing your energy clearing for manifestation, there's the internal and there's the external. We want to work on both planes, okay? So we want to clean our internal energy, and then we want to clean the external energy as well. Remember, we live in an energy-based universe. Internally for us, we are energetic beings. So everything internal and external, we're going to want to cleanse, make better, shift our energy to really open up the space for the manifestations to come in, the results that we want, okay? First, out of the 3, okay, energy techniques here, number 1 is an internal one. The internal one here is actually picking the area of life that you'd like to improve. If it's around your business, that's great. If it's around money, that's great. If it's around love, that's great. Whatever it is, this really works so well for money. So if you're looking to manifest a lot more money, use money here, okay? So we have our internal clearing. Pick the area. What you're going to do is anything in your past you're going to thank and be grateful for. So for example, for the area of money, pick the area of money and then say, anybody that's ever given you money, donated money of any sort, if you ever have had donated money to your business or organization or anything like that, or maybe it's just somebody gave you a gift, a birthday gift, years ago. We'll call that donation or giving of money. Anybody that's ever paid you money, including past employers, past jobs, past businesses, current business, current clients, past customers, you name it, okay? You're going to actually pull out a list. So you might write down all the jobs you've ever had. You might write down all the customers you've ever had. Go back through your emails, see how many customers, members, people you've ever had before. Write down their names. And you're actually going to thank them. You're not going to thank them over the phone. You're not going to text people. You're not going to call them. You're not going to do any of that stuff. You're going to thank them energetically. Okay, so you get the list and you say, maybe Scott. Okay, so you say, thank you, Scott. Thank you, Scott, so much for investing with my business a couple of years ago. I really appreciate your business. I hope all is well with you. Sending light and blessings to you, and I send you on to your highest good and hope the universe is providing you something really special this month. Okay, so basically you're talking out loud, and you're just going to send a gratitude thank you message to each person on your past members, current members, clients, customers, jobs, any of that stuff, okay? Now, to the unenlightened people, the people that have never heard of manifestation before, they're going to think you went bonkers. They're going to say, you're saying these names, that you're saying a name out loud, and then you're saying a gratitude message. They can't hear you. Why are you even doing this, right? Don't listen to the naysayers. They don't really know the energetic fields, okay? So you just want to stay tuned in to understand that you're an energetic being. Everyone's connected on an energetic basis, subconscious-wise, universal-wise, right? So anything that you send out energetically, the person will receive. They might not know it's from you, but they will receive that increase, okay? So visualize the person smiling as well as you send out. This is one of the greatest things I've ever done to shift my energetic field. You go through and it's going to light you like a firecracker. It's going to just bring you to a light that is going to feel so, so good. Try that out, okay? Number 2 here, the energetic concept, is also an internal one, partnered with the external. Go and find 3 people to increase on a daily basis for 7 days straight. Now, what I mean by increase is you're giving somebody a compliment. Give a waiter, waitress, Uber driver, whatever, whoever serves you, give them an extra tip. So if you paid for an $8 coffee, maybe give $8 back as a tip. Right? You don't have to give hundreds of dollars, although you could, but just do a little extra that you normally wouldn't do. If you have clients and customers, give them something that they normally wouldn't have received from you. if you have a certain member base, or you have a certain person in your life, give a thank you note. Give someone some sort of thank you text, a thank you call out of the blue. Try to increase 3 people a day. Again, increase just means you're bringing them goodness. You're bringing them positive message. You're bringing them good energy. What it's going to do is you're going to give out that energy. It's going to come right back to you. You're going to feel really, really good, and your energy is going to increase from that level as well. Try it out. It's going to be very, very dynamic to help you cruise along with your energetic field. So that's number 2. Number 3 is on purely the external. I would go around your house, your home, wherever you live, and I would clean one thing every day for about 10 to 20 minutes. So reorganize your office, donate old stuff that you've had piled in your closet for 10 years. Go into your car and clean out the entire thing internally and externally. Throw out old stuff. Do that spring cleaning kind of thing, even if it's not springtime for you. It doesn't really matter, right? So basically, the external is a reflection of the internal. You go in somebody's car and there's like 3,000 things in there. It's a direct reflection of the chaos that's also going on internally for them. So we want to eliminate the chaos and we want to shift that energy. Try to find ways to organize, clean, and clean up your external environment. It's going to make a direct reflection on your internal energy as well. You don't have to go crazy. You don't have to do 3 days of non-stop stuff cleaning the house. Do a little bit every day. You could be, if you're really fully invested in shifting your energy field, you could take one full day and go throughout your entire house, throw stuff out, donate it, organize it. Surely you can absolutely do that as well, but doing a little bit every day will definitely make some progress. Follow these 3 energetic tips. Comment below done once you've done at least one of them, okay, to keep yourself accountable. And then also comment below your accountability. Say something like, I will do these action items by Friday this week. So write down a phrase that's going to make you accountable. I will do this by blank. Within 3 days, by Friday, by Saturday, whatever it is, right? Make yourself accountable. Make sure you actually do these action items to allow yourself to shift your energetic field. You're going to be blown away by the good that comes into your life by shifting the energetic field. You're doing a great job, by the way. Wherever you're at in your life, wherever you're at, if you have a business, wherever you're at, if you have a job, relationship, whatever it is, you're doing a great job. Okay, keep moving it forward, keep tweaking your energy, keep tweaking your manifestation, your intention, your energy, all that good stuff, just a little bit every single day. You're going to have more good coming to you. Keep following and pursuing your dream. Keep moving it forward. Okay, you have a vision for a reason. You're gifted that vision for a reason. You have a mission for a reason. You have a message to this world. Keep moving it forward. Okay, as somebody who's also living their dream, to you who's living your dream, I say keep it going. I say, keep moving it forward to allow yourself to experience the freedom that you deserve, the goodness in this life that you deserve. And remember, you have a purpose. You're a very unique human being. No matter who you are here and now on this divine planet, divine timing-wise, listening into this video right now. This message was made for you. Okay, so go out, do some great things, follow the 3 energy techniques, throw a like on the video if you haven't already. Let's send out, the energy more good into this world, more positive, and moving it forward. Try out the 3 energy techniques. Let me know how it goes in the comments below.